Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to buy the same item again on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you bought an item on eBay and it turned out to be really good and you basically want that same item. How do you actually go ahead and buy that same item again on eBay? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. The first thing that we're going to do is hop into the eBay app, and then once you have the eBay app open, you want to click on My eBay on the bottom left hand corner, and then you want to click on Purchases. Now there's multiple ways you could actually reach this page, guys, but this is just one of the ways. Let's go ahead and click on our first order or our most recent order, and then from here what you can do is that you're going to see the item info, and you see two blue text buttons. One says Leave Feedback, and then one says More Actions. Go ahead and click on More Actions and then click on Buy Again. Now once you've done that, you could basically see that you just need to confirm the details of what you want to go ahead and buy again. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and buy the same item again on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.